Welcome to the vibrant and beautiful land of Malaysia. From its stunning beaches and lush rainforests to its towering skyscrapers and bustling markets, Malaysia offers a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Whether you are a nature lover, a foodie, or a culture enthusiast, this Southeast Asian gem has something for everyone. Get ready to explore the sights, tastes, and stories of Malaysia. Let's dive into what makes it a country truly special. Malaysia is a captivating country located in Southeast Asia. It is divided into two main regions, Peninsular Malaysia and East Malaysia, which is situated on the island of Borneo. Together, these regions form a land full of natural beauty, a rich culture, and vibrant cities. The country shares borders with Thailand, Indonesia, and Brunei, while also having coastlines along the South China Sea and the Strait of Malacca. The capital city of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur, known for its iconic landmarks like the Petronas Twin Towers and bustling shopping districts. However, Malaysia also has a unique administrative capital called Putrajaya, which houses government buildings and official institutions. The city is a symbol of modern architecture and urban planning. With a population of over 33 million people, Malaysia is a melting pot of culture, languages, and traditions. Its diversity is one of the country's most fascinating aspects. Visitors are often amazed by how people from different backgrounds live harmoniously. Malays, Chinese, and Indians are the largest ethnic groups, but the country is also home to various indigenous communities. The official language of Malaysia is Malay, also known as Bahasa Malaysia, but English is widely spoken, especially in urban areas. In fact, Malaysia's multilingual society adds to its charm, making it easy for visitors to navigate and communicate. Malaysia's tropical climate brings warm temperature all year around, with occasional rain showers that nourish its lush landscapes. The rainforests in Malaysia are some of the oldest in the world, home to countless species of plants and animals. Adventure seekers often explore these rainforests for unforgettable experiences. Malaysia's cultural diversity is a reflection of its history and heritage. The three largest ethnic groups in Malaysia are the Malays and Chinese and the Indians. Each group has preserved its unique traditions, customs, and festivals, contributing to the country's vibrant cultural landscapes. The Malays are the largest ethnic group and are predominantly Muslim. They celebrate Islamic festivals such as Hari Raya, Eid Fitri, and Hari Raya Haji with grand family gatherings, traditional feasts, and prayers at mosques. Traditional Malay attire like the baju korong of women and baju milayu for men is often worn during festive occasions. The Chinese community in Malaysia is known for celebrating Chinese New Year with colorful line dances, family reunions, and the tradition of giving red packets called Ang Fao. Many Chinese Malaysians also observe festivals like the Mid Autumn Festival and King Ming Festival, honoring their heritage and ancestors. The Indian community brings the vibrant celebration of Deepavali, the festival of lights, to life in Malaysia. During this time, homes are decorated with oil lamps and colorful column patrons. Traditional Indian music, dance, and delicious dishes like Morocco and samosas are enjoyed by all. Malaysia also embraces a wide range of indigenous cultures, particularly in Sabah and Sarawak on Borneo Island. Indigenous groups like the Iban, Kadazon, Dusun, and Bidayu have their own languages, dances, and customs. Festivals such as Kawai, Dayak, and Kamatan are celebrated with traditional rituals, musics, and performances. Religious tolerance and mutual respect are deeply rooted in Malaysian society. Mosques, temples, and churches stand side by side, reflecting the nation's commitment to harmony and unity. The concept of Moheba, meaning unity and goodwill, is cherished by Malaysians of all backgrounds. Malaysia offers an array of unforgettable tourist destinations for travelers who love nature, adventure, and relaxation. There are countless places to explore. One of the most iconic destinations is Langkawi Island, known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and luxurious resorts. The island's Langkawi Sky Bridge offers stunning panoramic views of the Andaman Sea and the surrounding forests. Visitors can also explore the Langkawi Cable Car and discover the island's natural beauty from above. Nature enthusiasts often head to Cameron Highlands for a refreshing escape from the tropical heat. With its cool climate and lush tea plantations, it is the perfect spot for a relaxing vacation. Visitors can enjoy tea tasting, strawberry picking, and luxuriously walking through flower gardens. For those seeking adventure, Mount Kinabalu and Sabah offers a challenging climb and breathtaking views. As the tallest mountain in Southeast Asia, it attracts hikers from around the world. Nearby the Kinabalu National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to diverse plant and animal species. No trip to Malaysia is complete without visiting its bustling capital city, Kuala Lumpur. The Petronas Twin Towers are a must-see, standing tall as a symbol of the country's progress and innovation. Shopping Enthusiasts can explore the vibrant street markets of Petaling Street in indulge in luxury shopping at malls like Pavilion KL and Soriam KLCC. For a cultural experience, the historical city of Malacca offers a glimpse into Malaysia's colonial past. Visitors can explore the Formosa forest, Petronas, the Crest Church, and enjoy the scenic river cruise. Similarly, Georgetown in Penang is known for its street art, heritage buildings, and delicious street food. That was a glimpse into the incredible beauty and rich culture of Malaysia, from its vibrant cities to its serene nature. Malaysia truly has something for everyone, whether you are exploring ancient rainforests, savoring delicious local cuisine, or celebrating colorful festivals. This country promises an unforgettable experience. Ready to pick your bags and start your Malaysian adventure? Let's know in the comments which place you would love to visit first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel videos.